Hello and welcome to FAE Tech Tips and Tutorials. Today we're going to be going over the Zoom Scheduler extension in Google Chrome and how to integrate it with your URI Google Calendar. First thing you'll want to do is open up Google Chrome. Navigate to the Zoom extension in Google Chrome. If the Zoom Scheduler extension is not showing up, go ahead and click on the extensions puzzle piece that will allow you to pin and unpin extensions on the extension toolbar in Chrome. If the pin button is blue, that means that it is visible to you in Google Chrome. If we uncheck it, it will disappear and hide itself. Go ahead and make sure that the Zoom Scheduler icon is pinned in Google Chrome. Select the Zoom Scheduler icon, then click Sign in with SSO. Enter your URI email address. Sign in with your URI single sign-on email address and password. We're signed into the Zoom scheduling extension here for Google Calendar. Go ahead and click on Schedule a Meeting. As you can see, the meeting is pre-populated with the Zoom information, meeting ID, and password for guests to join. You can edit description and miscellaneous information in the calendar event by entering it in above the first solid line. And that's it. Your Zoom scheduler for Google Calendar is set up now. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call or shoot me an email. If it's a technical issue or you're having trouble getting the extension to install, please put in a ticket in the ticket system. Thank you.